I'm Dr. Haug, and today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about maintenance care. And it's very interesting to me how people really get the concept of maintenance care for certain venues and not for others. For example, dentistry. Dentistry, in the 1940s and 50s, you never went to the dentist unless you had tooth pain. And back then, you're likely to get either drilled with a foot press drill and fill the cavity or pull a tooth. Now, because the dentist profession has done such a great job in explaining to patients the need for caring for your teeth, not just when they're in pain, but on a daily basis, and then to come in for checks and cleanings, it's a whole different concept that people say to themselves, yeah, I need to brush my teeth every day, maybe several times a day. I need to floss. I need to go see my dentist when I have no pain to get my teeth checked, to get them cleaned. That makes a lot of sense to most people. Same thing with cars, You would never drive your car until it broke. You go get your oil changes, you go get your regular scheduled maintenance, and then cars last for a long, long time. We figured this out. Well, the same is true with chiropractic care. I mean, people come in because they're having a health crisis, they're having pain, they're having some kind of issue that's not resolving, and they look to us to help them resolve that problem. It's very similar to a cavity or the need for a root canal, and we help them through it. We help them through the time, we help the body to heal, and people do better. But then after that point, many people won't consider coming back in until they're again in a crisis situation. And it really doesn't make that much sense because it's much easier to keep things together than to put things together. When you come in for regular maintenance, which to me means somewhere between every 3 and 8 weeks, is a pretty good maintenance package for most people, depending on who you are. The visits are routine, they're easy, and as time goes by, you have less and less problems, and you put together more and more good years back to back with having fewer and fewer problems. And this has actually been studied, that people who do chiropractic on some kind of a regular routine, like a maintenance care package, have better health, have far less dependence on the medical profession, and their total expenditures are way down for their health care costs. Because it's easier to stay healthy than to get sick and try to regain your health. It's much easier to have maintenance for your spine. And a big part of that is getting checked by your chiropractor. There's obviously things that you can do for yourself to help with your spine, but really it's not enough. And that's why I would love to have discussions with you. You can call me, we can talk about it, about the benefits of taking care of your spine like you take care of your teeth in your car. You would be much better off. So that's, my perspective on maintenance care. Thank you.